All right, 2016 4H. How to reset the oil life. All right. So the car that's running right now, know what I'm saying? And we're gonna use this guy. This is what we got right there. It says percent oil life 95%. If you don't see that right away, you just go vehicle. Okay, go vehicle. Between all this, you're gonna see the oil life reset. Click there. Hold OK to reset. So you click OK, hold it, 100%. Let it go, and that's it. That's how you reset the oil life in 2016 4H. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. See ya.